Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Begin by parking the car with the wheels straight and the steering centered. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 10 minutes for the SRS capacitors to discharge before touching the airbag. Wear safety glasses and use insulated tools when near electrical connectors. Locate the two T30 torque screws behind the wheel hub that secure the airbag module. Use a 16mm socket for the center retaining nut. Keep the hood closed or propped, and have a container for small fasteners to prevent loss. With the battery isolated, and after waiting 10 minutes, remove the two rear T30 torque screws that retain the airbag module. They are accessible from the back of the steering wheel spokes. Carefully pull the module straight out about 1 to 2 inches and support it. Do not let it hang by the wiring. Depress the spring tabs and disconnect the airbag harness connectors. Mark the steering column spline position with a paint pen to retain alignment. Using a 16mm socket, loosen the center nut, then remove the steering wheel with steady pulls. Use a puller if needed. To reinstall, align the steering wheel to the paint mark on the column spline so the wheel centers correctly. Hand thread the 16mm center nut to hold the wheel, then torque it to 45 Nm using a calibrated torque wrench. Reconnect the clock spring connectors if removed, and then the airbag harness. Ensure the plastic spring tabs click fully into place. Refit the airbag module and tighten the two rear T30 torque screws snugly. Reconnect the negative battery. Start the ignition and verify the airbag indicator extinguishes within a few seconds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.